gypsy boy. I like exploring, I'm kind. So many things to do. Each day is something new. I'll share them with you. I'm Caillou. My world is tiny.
What you were messing with?
Tell it to the camera, man.
It took me
The
like
map wasn't even plugged in.
it took me a matter of just looking under here. And he
Come
was
on,
like,
Trent. Come on, Trent.
He was like,
We came over here to fix this bitch, and then it's just not plugged in. Are you shitting me?
I mean, he bought a new one, and he's like, no, it's
We gotta put some air in the tires. We got something to do. Look at this one. This guy's running.
Holy
flat.
shit, man.
Look at this.
This thing's been hard parked for like
Yo, let me
fucking 3
get some of
months,
that
right?
math
I've
cleaner,
driven
bro.
it a few times.
I'm gonna clean mine, because I bet mine needs it.
Yeah, someone better get some use out of it.
That was amazing. It took me literally 30 seconds. I walked over here, and I was like, I looked down, and I was just
Wait,
like,
so it wasn't plugged in here?
yeah, it was just hanging off. This
What?
whole-
How did you
this-
not notice that?
He
Trent?
didn't know which one was the math.
Oh
He
my
thought
God.
this was the math. I was
Really?
like, no, dude, that's your boost gauge.
What the fuck?
That's his in-car boost gauge. I'm pretty
Really?
sure. Yeah, because this is the
Oh, this
this is the
a radiator.
intercooler.
Wait, this is intercooler piping?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
Or it's the temp. No, it looks like no, it's not the radiator. It doesn't look like it.
Yeah, I think it might be a boost hose. Shit,
He
man.
does have a boost gauge.
Alright. Yeah, probably.
Well, no, it's been to the turbo. It'll just take a few minutes. And then it'll
Reset
stop.
you're gonna need to reset the battery. Let it warm up though.
Yeah, probably.
I don't really care for.
So I don't got a socket that's big enough for that.
You can use a wrench
Adjustable.
or a crescent wrench. An
Use-
adjustable one
use
like
the
that.
adjustable.
Spray some buildings, bro. Tag some buildings.
Fuck yeah, dude. With our math cleaner.
Dude, the fucking dude at O'Reilly's, I was like, do you guys have any math cleaner? He's like, what cleaner? And I'm like, math cleaner? And he's like, oh, you mean mass cleaner? And I'm like, what? And then I
Mass
get up
cleaner?
there, and I kept calling it math cleaner, because that's what it fucking is. It says math sensor cleaner right there. It says math 80 times on it. And the dude's like, it's actually mass cleaner, because it's mass airflow, and then he like stumbled a bit, sensor. And I'm like, all right, dude. Thanks, man.
These are on there.
This guy was on drugs.
I need that real quick. Let me see that.
This cost you.
Dude, this car looks so much better with the top down.
I think that's girls too. Girls look a lot better with their tops.
Well, yeah. Girls and S2000s, dude.
Girls
Oh shit. Dude, this is still loose, Andrew. What the fuck, man?
I don't care. I'm waiting for my new ones to come in. I can't get it.
What? Come on, man.
I need you to push against it.
Wait, is it really that fucking...
Yeah,
Oh
hold
my
on.
God.
Push. Like,
Push?
put your weight against it.
Alright. Jesus. Dude, this shit is fucking crazy. We getting turns on?
No,
No, I think it did turn. I
it
felt it.
didn't turn. It's gonna jump out.
Dude, I'll use my right hand, bro. I'll jump out right back at it.
Yeah, to make sure it's like dead on.
I'm like, I'll put this on the sub.
New cold air intake.
If you did, it would change the sound of it.
Dude, it would go whoosh. You could hear that blow off valve, dude.
Nope.
Really?
Yeah.
Dude, I'm fucking putting all my weight on that shit. What the hell? So it's such a weird angle, too. I don't
It
know why
really
they
is.
didn't use bolts. They had to use screws.
Definitely.
Boosting this shit to the moon, bro. Dude, that dude fucking broke his neck when he looked at your motor, bro.
What?
That dude that drove by, he broke his neck. Looking at your motor. He saw that red valve cover and he was like, eh. Oh yeah, dude.
I lied.
What?
I don't get paid to drink. This car has no balls. Alcohol, dude, this shit just instantly, like, it just sprays and it's gone.
Yeah, dude, it's like brake clean.
Whoa.
Here, you wanna
Take.
go on that side and try to crack it?
This is a nice convertible.
Oh yeah, brother.
Convert table.
It fits you right now. You look like a fuckboy.
Yeah, fuck boy.
I just need my I just need my shades, bro.
With a tank to it.
Hey, showing your hairy chest and everything.
You know it, bro.
I have a single chest hair, damn it.
You're using MAF cleaner as brake clean?
Everything. It's alcohol.
Yeah, true.
It's just gonna dry up.
Yeah, it was a degreaser still.
No, it's just, dude, I bet you it's almost dry already. It dries instantly, look.
Yeah, she's
It's
pretty cool.
alcohol. Alright, dude.
You ready to start her up?
Yeah.
Tighten that battery sheet down. As far as the battery's not dead.
You should have put the positive
on first.
What the fuck are you trying to shock us? Dude, I'm not... Here, let me pull this
Dude,
one.
how long's it been since you drove
can
this?
fuck with it.
I drove it a little bit, like a week or so
Put it
ago.
on.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah, it doesn't go down all the way.
Tighten it.
The inch scroll.
Over there.
The other inch. No, it's not the inch though.
Over there. The adjustable's over there. You could just grab...
One that's like the perfect size that was right here.
Well, it's gone now. I think I threw it accidentally, put it back, because I just have a habit of just throwing tools back. Good.
Yeah, everything back there should have been
Yeah, well,
triple checked before
yeah,
went
we put it
forward.
back together. Pretty.
Start her up.
Should be good.
Like the air filter housing and stuff that I didn't think about.
Yeah, this was all open and shit. No MAF hooked up.
Oh my god.
Fucking this was
I
loose.
wonder the bitch wouldn't start, bro.
Hissing went away.
Yeah, there's
Like-
no more hissing.
Turn the oil off.
Yeah, we're good. Dude, fuck the sound, man.
Let it circulate.
She's running.
Had it all figured out.
Whoa.
Camera that way.
Ooh.
I wouldn't miss a
Yeah, boy.
What?
I hope you're listening now.
Ooh.
I hope you
been a fat
hear me.
Oh wow!
I missed this car, man.
I feel so in control sitting here.
Oh my god.
That was you. I shifted in reverse and I heard that moving. What
Oh,
the
shit.
fuck?
This thing is hella great.
She needs the bath.
And I'm not sure what to say.
Damn, so low. Holy shit.
He has driven this himself.
I don't know how to
Been
He
driving the
breaks
road
it his
goes
first week of
Fuck,
That
man.
thing feels so good outside.
and tell me what to do. If I can't be
Still
good
shifts.
enough,
Yeah.
Gears, dude.
Yeah, dude.
I can't believe I sit so close
Okay.
to where I throw it all away.
This is fucking Ryan Swiggert's house.
E46.
E46
There's
and
nothing
there's the
for
LS
me
one.
here
CX,
anymore.
Just an
I
HHR.
want you to go.
And no reason I should stay.
On this straightaway, dude. Actually, there's cars there. Dude, you're at operating temperature. You're fine.
Yeah, I mean, there was too many cars in it.
Yeah.
Just fucking
Oh.
gun it to 50.
Yeah, those are scared the shit.
I'm not saying that, I just.
Break my heart and make it fast. Cause it's all already lost.
Yeah, it's been tested.
And please say something just not
No,
that. Cause I can't feel anything at all. I can't believe I stood so close
Yeah, it looks pretty
to where I throw it all away.
Dude, we fucking fixed this thing.
And there's nothing for me here anymore.
We're just retarded.
No reason I should say.
Shit, dude. About to carve this, man.
Tell me something I don't know.
It's a double. Fuck.
Or I hope I just forgot.
Corner at like 15 the truck.
And I hope it makes you laugh like I never could. And that he's everything I'm not.
She will fall.
Yeah, wait, get it to one side.
What is that?
Your blow off valve.
That's the blow-off valve?
What the fuck is
Oh, dude, yeah, there might be an exhaust leak. That's sick.
And I just want
Because you can hear the turbo way more than you could before.
That was my window.
Yeah, I know. I was happy, and then I realized you were sitting back there.
You looked directly at me.
Yeah, I did it after I was
kiss watch when I
Oh, yeah, dude, you hear that?
fall apart.
Dude, we're getting the case that want to be like, just have the exhaust on. Yeah. Oh, you hear that spooling out, bro?
Can't believe I stood so close
Yeah,
to
dude.
where I throw it all away. There's nothing for me here anymore, and no reason I should stay. Tell me a lie that I'll believe. And then maybe I'll forget.
Oh shit!
Cause I can't be everything you need.
I literally just fucking fixed my car.
But I meant everything I said.
You were filming, right?
Yeah,
You were filming? Wait, yes!
Yes!
So close.
Yes! Okay. Fuck yes.
Where I
fucking
throw
Alright, I got it on
it
film.
all
I got it on film.
away.